Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY. On my channel, I like to bring you the best tips and tools for creating beautiful home decor on a budget. Today we're going to be focused on making a beautiful home on a budget using Simply Earth essential oils. Today I am sharing with you the items that are coming in the February essential oil recipe box, and also then showing you what you can receive in your bonus box that you receive with your first month subscription, and then after every 6 subscription boxes. So let's open up our February monthly essential oil recipe box for February 2021. Now, if you've never watched these or aren't familiar, these recipe boxes always contain 4 full-size oils and then 6 recipe cards and the other items you need to create the recipes. February's box theme is mood detox, and heck, don't we all need that after the crazy almost year we've had dealing with COVID, and now a lot of us are dealing with freezing weather. Another great thing about Simply Earth is that 13% of the profits each month go to an organization that is working to battle human trafficking. So that is awesome as well. Now let's look at the 4 oils that come in our box this month. You have Happy Joy, Lava, Basil, and Geranium. This card is always in your box that shows you the benefits of each oil. So here we have our basil. Basil is used for calming and soothing and is from India and the leaf part of the plant. All of this information is on these gorgeous labels. Lava is a blend by Simply Earth. It contains grapefruit, blood orange, hoe wood, and sandalwood essential oils. It smells amazing. It is used for uplifting and energizing. Next, we have the blend called Happy Joy, which is also good for uplifting your mood. It contains geranium, sweet orange, grapefruit, and ylang ylang essential oils. And the 4th oil in your February box is geranium from the flower. It has a beautiful floral and sweet scent. It is good also for uplifting and skincare. The other items in your February box are this 1 ounce of sea clay to make a mud mask with, I believe. You get this beautiful 8 milliliter prism roll-on bottle. Very, very pretty. Also a 10 milliliter glass body spritz bottle that we'll be making a recipe for. And you always get your 6 recipe cards, like I said. Let me show you quickly which recipes you're getting this month, and then we will be making some here towards the end of the video. I want you to see just how easy it is to incorporate essential oils into your daily life. Let me know in the comments if you already use essential oils, what some of your favorite oils are, and what you like to use them for in your home. Each recipe box always comes with a diffuser blend recipe and a roll-on recipe, and that is awesome. I always make those first. And then the last thing you get in your box are all the sticker labels. Now, when I first started with Simply Earth, these were not cut out where you could easily peel them off like this. You had to cut them. So this is amazing now that they have them die cut. You can very quickly and easily add the labels to the tops of your bottles, and then also to the bottles of the recipes that you make. So there, as quickly as that, I labeled the tops of my oils. Now, like I mentioned before, when you use my code and my shopping link, when you place your first month subscription, you get this big bonus box. And this basically has the rest of the essentials to make the recipes. You get almond oil, you get beeswax, you get coconut oil in the liquid form, and also coconut oil in the solid form. So all those things are the bases for the recipes. Then you get 6 of these rollerball bottles and also 6 of these blend bottles. These are a 5 milliliter bottle, so about 1/3 of the size of the full-size oils, and you make lots of great diffuser blends to use in your home. And then these roller bottles are great for putting in your purse or packing in a suitcase. So you get 6 of each, which gets you through 6 months of recipes, and then on your 7th month you get a new box. So here we're going to make the I Love You Diffuser blend. Now these small bottles contain about 100, can hold about 100 drops of oils. So to make this, we're going to use 32 drops of Lava Essential Oil blend, 32 drops of our Happy Joy Essential Oil blend, 16 drops of our Geranium Essential Oil, and 16 drops of our Basil Essential Oil. So that's all you're going to do is add these drops to the bottle, and then you'll put the little plastic piece there on the top that allows you to get 1 drop at a time, and you're good to go. And I actually put this in my diffuser right after making it, and it smells amazing. Next, like I said, you always get a roll-on. This is Hope for Tomorrow roll-on to use to help support a positive perspective, it says. So with the roll-ons, you do, because you're putting it on your body, you do have to dilute the oils with a carrier oil. So for this one, we're going to use coconut oil. After we put just 1 drop of basil, 2 drops of Happy Joy, and 2 drops of lava. Then we're going to fill the rest of our roller bottle with the liquid coconut oil here, and that, like I said, is going to allow the oils to be diluted so that it's safe for on your skin, and the carrier oil also helps it get into your cells and do what it's supposed to do. So there you go, there's your roller bottle, and you are ready to go with the label. A couple more fun ones that were in this month's box is this Daydream roll-on, which uses this beautiful prism roll-on container. It's got a little bit of a smaller capacity. We're going to put just 2 drops of Happy Joy, 2 drops of lava, and then 1 drop of geranium, and then the rest coconut oil. And it says, place this on your pulse points to help promote calm. So when you're feeling a little stressed, pull this out of your purse and rub it on your pulse points. So that would be like the inside of your wrists, behind your ears, and this will help you feel more calm. So isn't that so pretty? And I cut the little label so it would fit on the lid there, on the cap, I guess it is. And the last one that we're going to make today is the Happy Day Body Spray. Before, the spray type recipes used an amber plastic, so I was really excited to see this really nice glass spray bottle. We're going to put a little bit, like half a teaspoon of coconut oil in the bottom, and this is so that our oils can mix together. 1 drop of lava and 1 drop of Happy Joy. And then once we have those in, we're going to fill the rest of our bottle with some distilled water, and this is what will make it the consistency that you can use it as a body spray. I did try this, and it's not overpowering. It's very nice smelling. It says you can use this for an uplifting and energizing aroma to help support joy. So that's 4 out of the 6 recipes. We made those really quick. Like I said, Simply Earth sets you up with all the essential items that you need. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Otherwise, all the information is in the description box if you want more to look at as far as possibly subscribing. You can put your subscriptions on hold at any time. So I hope you all enjoyed this, and we'll see you next time. Bye.